Hey, AI enthusiasts! If you caught my last video about ByteDance's Goku AI, you can find the link in the description. You already know how this revolutionary technology is transforming video creation. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely check it out first. It covers all the technical foundations and marketing applications. Today, we're back with something even more exciting. 10 mind-blowing examples that push the boundaries of what Goku AI can do. Remember how we talked about instant video generation from text? Well, ByteDance just dropped new capabilities, and what you're about to see will blow your mind even more than our last video. Let's dive into 10 incredible examples that showcase the true creative potential of this technology. First up, let's start with something dynamic, a cyclist conquering various terrains. Unlike the product demonstrations we saw in our previous video, this shows how Goku AI handles complex human movement in changing environments. Here's something heartwarming. An elderly man in a cooking apron, taking a stroll through the snow. Notice how this differs from the marketing avatars we saw before. The emotion feels genuinely human. Watch this next one, a Chinese woman performing Minnie Mouse gestures. The precision in facial expressions takes the avatar technology we discussed last time to a whole new level. This peaceful scene of a man fishing by a pond shows how far the environmental generation has come since our last examples. The water physics are simply incredible. Now here's something we haven't seen before. Natural wildlife. A mother bird with her chicks in a nest. The detail in the feathers and movements shows just how versatile this AI has become. Speaking of versatile, check this out. A horse typing on a laptop. This whimsical example pushes way beyond the product demonstrations from our previous video. Here's an action sequence, a helmeted runner speeding through European streets. Unlike the static product displays we saw before, this shows complex multi-character interactions. This adorable penguin skating sequence demonstrates how Goku AI handles non-human movement, something completely different from the marketing focus of our last video. Watch these dogs playing in the snow. The group dynamics and natural interactions are leagues beyond the individual character animations we saw previously. And for our grand finale, an astronaut exploring Mars. This showcases how far we've come from the simple product demonstrations in our last video, pushing into full cinematic territory. While our previous video focused on marketing and business applications, these new examples open up entirely new possibilities for entertainment and film production, educational content creation, wildlife documentation, science visualization, creative storytelling. The gap between imagination and reality keeps shrinking, and Goku AI is leading the charge. What would you create with this technology? Share your wildest ideas in the comments below. If you haven't already, check out our previous Goku AI video. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI breakthroughs. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.